Hello everyone, this is me, Dr. Ariba Rushan, a research analyst with years of experience in traditional herbal medicines. Today the topic which I'm going to discuss with you guys is about Gastro of Sachet by Blossom Lab that works miraculously on your digestive issues. So let's dig into it. Digestive discomfort can strike you at any age, like indigestion, bloating, gastric issues, and uneasiness in the stomach. But the question is, what Blossom Lab has bring to you in Gastro of Sachet? It is a digestive aid for all the patients who are suffering from digestive issues. It is a collection of the herbs that works miraculously on all the stomach issues. So let's explore the ingredients of Gastro of Sachet. Menthol is one of them. Menthol is known for its cooling effect, but it has deeper effect as well. It works on the reducing the muscular cramps of the stomach. It reduces the spasms. It helps with the smooth digestion. It also helps for the people who has irritable bowel syndromes. Now, the second known ingredient for the Gastro of Sachet is vitamin C. That is not only for the immunity. It plays a crucial role on healing the gut lining. It also maintains the healthy balance between gut bacteria that helps with the people for the proper digestion. Now, the third most known ingredient in the Gastro of Sachet is fennel oil and is used traditionally in many cultures for the purpose of bloating, gastric issues, indigestion, uneasiness in the stomach, and abdominal cramps as well. It has antispasmodic action that calms the digestive tract gently and effectively. Another ingredient by Gastro of Sachet is calcium carbonate that is trusted antacid, and it neutralizes the excess amount of acid in the stomach. Basically, it helps with the heartburn, acidity, and discomfort after taking meals. NS oil is also the ingredient of Gastro of Sachet, and it helps to ease the discomfort and cramps of the stomach. It also specifically and particularly work for the patients who are suffering from IBS and dyspepsia. Now, the last ingredient for the Gastro of Sachet is ginger powder extract that is time-tested remedy for the nausea, bloating, gastric issues, indigestion, and stomach upset. Our ginger powder extract nourishes and stimulates the digestive system, and it also helps with the overall gut health. And after all the discussion, you know what's the amazing part of this Gastro of Sachet? That this is for the all age group, and it is very easy to use as well. Gastro of Sachet is safe, effective remedy for all the people who are suffering from digestive issues, and it is the best addition in your family wellness routine. How would you order this sachet? You will order it through their website, that is blossomlabhealth.com, and you will receive it at your doorstep.